Hey, my name is Liz Barra, and I just wanted to show you how this awesome Instant 360 camera video works. If you want to go ahead and pause, or you can not pause and just move your finger on the screen left and right and up and down, you'll see that you can see all the way around. That's what makes it such a cool 360 video experience. And what's also super awesome is if I move around, you can follow me, or you can go left and right and look other places as I'm talking. So you can see here we've got our quartz countertops, and also we've got our oak colored cabinets and our new appliances. This is what makes it so awesome, is when we're trying to list your home, we can take somebody through a home and they can see every detail around your home 360 degrees as you're talking about it. Now, we'll also offer a Matterport 360 video. Those are those ones that you just click through. They're not like a live video, but they're a really good marketing tool as well. We're going to offer you that, as well as professional photography and bracketed photos. We're going to get you up on social media, Realtor.com, Zillow, and hundreds of other sites as well. Now, what makes this so cool is that if you're on the buying side, if we're helping you as a buyer, if it's tricky for you to get to a property, you've just got a really busy business schedule, we can take these videos and you can be here second best thing, seeing every detail of the home on this 360 camera video. It also works great. I've got an out-of-state client right now I'm working with that I'm just sending these videos, and they're just loving it. So I hope you guys enjoy practicing with this video. Go ahead and pause, move around, and have fun.